Stefan Granquist. We are Triumph TF250E. This is AEC bike. Oh, big hole. Oh, that's third gear wheelie through that. This is AEC bike we're testing. Oh, this is slimy. This is third gear. You can hear that. Oh, boom, into those holes. Into this sandy. Oh, yeah. Now I'm a punter, and this is a Punter Rides a Pros bike. A new series we're going to do where we ride a whole bunch of pros bikes as a Gumby. That's me. Hit these whoops. Oh yeah. Gosh, that bike is good. And we tell you if it beats us up or not, because most of them beat us up. But I will say, Stefan has this suspension dialed. Oh, flat turn. Oh, Gumby. Oh yeah. He's got this suspension so damn good that a Gumby like me can ride it. Oh gosh. It's soft at the start. Is that hole again? Boom, third gear. Doesn't blow through on the brakes. It's compliant. I can't believe how soft it is at the start. I expected it to be so hard. Hole. But it's not. And then let's talk about, so suspension's good, doesn't beat me up, holds up surprisingly well. Stefan does most of the suspension himself. It's a 0.63 spring. That's how heavy it is. Now, oh gosh, I messed them up. I'm 100 kilos, Stefan's 100 kilos, we're both over 6 foot. So the suspension works for me. We jump those sections. Now, let's talk about this motor. That's third gear. Now Stefan has gone a 1450 gear ratio. Now I didn't think that'd work on a 250F, but this thing has so much torque. I carry second and third with a 1450 gear ratio. Oh, I missed it. Sorry. With a oh gosh. On a 250F at my weight, I'm in second here, I'll go to third. You can hear me lugging around in third. I like running tall gears. Probably a bit too much clutch. It's a sand too. So he's got a get ignition and acro on it. That's all he's got. The whoops again. Oh man, I keep messing them up. And that's it. Get ignition, acro, and a recluse clutch in it. And it's so torquey and so smooth. I have not ridden a bike this smooth from a factory pro. I've got to say never. Oh man. Other little things. It's got a IRC tyres. I've never ridden IRC tyres, but as you can see, conditions are prime, but it's wet. Oh gosh, I messed that up. I'm going to grab the rear brake. The IRC tyres are going okay. They're good, not the best I've ridden on, but they're good. Oh, sorry about that. Oh geez, I'm getting tired. This sand track. Tall gripper seat. The tall seat is handy. I'm tall, so it works well. Okay, I'm messing all this up now. Oh gosh. And rental bar, fat bar, love it. Soft rental grips, great for my office hands. Oh yeah. Overall, that'll do me. I cannot believe how rideable this Triumph TF250 is for a pro bike. More importantly, it didn't beat me up, it wasn't firm, it was so compliant, but it held up with those heavy springs. The valving must be exceptional. And that motor, I've said this before when we've ridden these in stock trim, I don't think there is a better 250F motor on the market in the enduro range. Anyway, that's the Stefan Granquist Triumph TF250E test. Punter Rides a Pro, we can confirm it is rideable for a Gumby.